Colva will be coming with one. It's more of a tourism information counter, convenience center, which will have information about tourism, which will have shower room, toilets, other things, and also will have a co-working area in that. Health also will be a part of that, and police also will get a small outpost over there where they are able to keep their people for rest and other things. So this particular infrastructure, I think the tourism has already earmarked the area. Once the plan comes out, we'll be discussing with the local MLA, Panchayat and the rest, and then taking that plan ahead. So right now, as far as South is concerned, because North we have already gone ahead with digital nomads, tech tourism, and 2 locations are already coming up like this on Morji and Ashwa area. The 3rd location is earmarked as Colva. So South also gets the similar prominence. What North gets is a balance what we will do from tech tourism point of view.
That will be here in this.
But that is only a convenience center and a co-working space. All the overall, other than these facilities, everything else should be available from the shack point of view or restaurants point of view.
Sorting out this issue, इधर आमगे main issue आलो की आमगे जे almost 30, 40, 50 वर्ष जे धंदोकोता लेंगा, जे पूर्वजांचे धंदो they have taken over आणि हेजे रिपोर्ट चलता. सो हेंगे हुई काय धंदो बंद जावन आणि कितें जायना जावपा आज कन्सर्न वाल्लो कन्सर्न ओवरऑल बरे भाशेन सजमोन गेला मिनिस्टरान आणि आता आफ्टर दिवाली वी विल बी गोइंग एंड मीटिंग द चीफ मिनिस्टर अलॉंग विथ द एंटायर टीम ऑफ कोलवा and the whole idea is we will try to give them a temporary place to run the business till the time in 6-7 months ये जावपाक
16 की हादसा है ये सो ते सेकंड फेज आहे तो ले सो ये किती आता मिनिस्टरान सांगिल्ले भाशेनो लेट्स फोकस ऑन दिस ओनली फिशरमॅन ये हाते फिशरमॅनांकूच ये हितूंक ये कमिटीन घालून तेंचे व्ह्यूज घेऊन वी विल गो फॉरवर्ड फॉर इट बट नॉट